Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. And meron nga po pala i-share tayo ngayon, yung 37 off plus up to $75 airdrop po ng ating decent. So ito nga po guys, yung Orbs Round 3, earn Orbs with decent year-in gala guys. So 680,000 Orbs. Then your cold wallet becomes the center of the Web3 world, a special 6-week experience, the decent year-in gala event. Decent Year-in Gala is year-end on-chain campaign exclusively for Decent biometric hardware wallet users. Complete partner missions in each round to earn token rewards, airdrops, and additional bonuses. The features project for round 3 is Orbs. Complete the mission to earn Orbs rewards, guys. So don't forget to open your hardware wallet guys or biometric wallet guys this 1 p.m. guys, December 31 kasi nga po guys meron po tayong event ng ating Orbs. So round 3 for a glance nga po guys, or this is for decent biometric hardware wallet lang po ha. Projects Orbs is ayan guys, Orbs Ethereum. Then biometric hardware wallet users only. And how to join decent app here in Gala dashboard. Select round 3 orbs, complete a mission guys. So yun nga po guys, is open your decent biometric wallet by this 1 p.m. afternoon nga po guys. And project overview Orbs nga po natin is a decentralized L3 infrastructure that enhance DeFi trading. So how to participate the quest structure, guys. So the Herbs campaign includes an account setup steps, a swap requirements, a holding requirements, a social verification step, complete all the quests to qualify for the first camp reward, and complete in the swap ranking challenge for additional herbs. So required quest nga po natin is add an Herbs Ethereum account to receive the rewards and adds Herbs Ethereum account in your decent wallet first. Rewards will be sent to this Herbs address. So, yun nga po guys, no, ang gagawin lang po natin dito is open your biometric wallet by this afternoon guys, 1 p.m. So, to get the rewards of earns, and this is for decent biometric users wallet only. And swap the 50% into ETH cumulative, and then token you receive is Ethereum, and total swap amount is $50 nga po. And you can split it into multiple swaps only to total needs to reach $50 plus. Hold 6,000 orbs, and this quest is completed when you hold at least 6,000 orbs in your decent wallet. So only orbs in Ethereum is eligible. Complete Orb social task on Entra compulsory and go to the Entra quest page and complete the required social task and verify the completion. So important, the wallet address you use or Entra must match the wallet address and you use for decent campaign. If it does not work, you may be excluded from rewards. So rewards in structure nga po guys is quest completion rewards first 610 user, and eligible for payout is first 610 users who complete all the quests. And rewards for user is 1,000 herbs, and total rewards for herbs is 610,000 herbs. And swap ranking rewards for top 5, so total of 70,000 herbs. And ranking criteria is cumulative swap volume into herbs into the decent app. So eligible swap must meet all the following conditions. Output token must be herbs, $10 or more per transaction. Only qualifying swaps will be included in the ranking calculation. Ranking rewards first place is 23,000 herbs, second place is 19,000 herbs, 13th place is 14,000 herbs, and 4th place is 9,500 herbs, 5th place is 4,500 herbs. Important notes, decent wallet requires all the quests must be completed using a decent wallet. Biometric is wallet. Users only round 3 is available to decent biometric hardware wallet users only. And then guys, itong round 3 natin is rewards are limited. First come per rewards, 1,000 orbs for the first 610 users nga po dito, and to complete the all quests, and ranking rewards up to 23,000 herbs for the top 5. So open your link nga po guys dito sa ating decent biometric wallet to year-in gala nga po guys, okay? So ganito lang po kasimple guys yung ating decent wallet. So don't forget guys ha, by this afternoon ay mag-open po kayo ng inyong biometric wallet guys to get the rewards of herbs, okay? So ayan na, open na natin yung 680,000 po natin na herbs nga po guys. And yan nga po guys, i-connect nyo po siya sa inyong biometric wallet. Okay? Ganun lang po kasimple guys to avoid missing out the herbs Ethereum account is an advance. And make sure the wallet is your biometric wallet. So this wallet is created by the IO Trust nga po guys. And ayan po, disclaimer, this vlog is for educational purposes only. Information is presented here and including the projects or brands mentioned is informative and not financial, legal, or tax advice while we strive for accuracy. And we cannot be held liable for any accuracies. Cryptocurrencies inherently risky. Do your own thorough research and consider consulting a financial advisor for investment decision aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. External links may be present and we are not responsible for the content for practices. Review their terms of service and privacy policies. Year-in Gala features Meet Orbs bringing CFI level execution to DeFi. Tap the drop S1 Mega Airdrop claim guides and rules. Thank you for watching guys at ito nga lang po yung ating decent airdrop guys for the next level nga po guys. So don't forget to subscribe and have a good day. God bless.